for this particular piece, I wanted for the timpani to sound a little bit more aggressive. Well, this is good, but they still need a little bit more of edge and aggression. I want to hear a little bit more of the mallet hitting the timpani. This is what this is doing. Just adding like 1.5 dBs at around 2.2K. So without, with, there you go, without, with, and you can hear a little bit more of that mallet hitting the timpani. I'm gonna bypass the entire thing, this one and this one, without, with, there you go, without, with, and then I just added this one here. I'm cutting a little bit, very subtle, starting at 34, minus 4 dBs. It's just a shelf, just making a space for some of the low instruments. Usually what's gonna make your music sound bigger is more definition in the high end, lower frequencies as well. So it's controlling those extremes. Hey, hope this was fun, useful, and entertaining. Go to composinghack.com for free courses.